favorite tech savvy, Okemutefole Ernest. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you a particular AI powered website that enables you to build websites for your businesses. Okay, so this video is for those of us who want to set up a simple, meaningful website for our businesses, but we don't have the money to pay a designer. Okay, so this AI powered website is going to help you to start up something as soon as possible. All right, so guys, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button so that YouTube will get to show this video to more persons. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscribers, guys, I want to say thank you so much for returning back to this channel. So let's get started. So in this video I want to show you how you can create a simple website for your business using this particular AI powered website. So the name of this website is called Durable. So you can see right here, all you need to go to your browser and search for durable.co/AI website builder. So it's going to bring you here, and when you get to this particular place, all you need to do is to click on get started. Okay, so here we are. So what this particular AI powered website is going to do is it will try to detect where you are located, where you are at the moment. Okay, so that means you have to make sure your location is currently set in your laptop or wherever it is you are accessing this AI powered website from. Okay, so you can see it says it looks like you are in Etiosa local government area in Lagos State. Actually, I'm not in Lagos State though, but let's just move on to the business of today. So I'm just going to accept that this is my address, and if I wish to change it, I can just come here and drag it to somewhere else entirely. Okay, I'm not in Lagos at the moment. So right here I'm going to say what type of business are you building. So you have to choose from the options they gave to us here. So I'm going to look for web design. So you see websites, you see web design, and you also see website development. So I'm going to say web development because I build websites. I work on both front and back end. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and then they will ask me what's the name of your business. So I'm going to say the name of my business is Tech Savvy, and then I also click on next. So you can see right here it's building my business for me. You can see now it's building my business. So one of the things you have to note is that while it's building, it might ask you to sign into an account. So you can see our website is ready. So I'm just going to click on see it. So you can see it says Etiosa. So what I'm going to do now is I will need to customize it. So even if AI is going to be building your site for you for free, you need to customize it all by yourself. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to head over here and click on customize. So this is where it will ask you to put in your login details. You need to log in with an account. So I'm just going to click on sign up. Okay, so sign up using your email and or your Google account. So you can fill it here or use your Google account. So I'm just going to select a particular Google account. So let's say I wish to use this particular Google account, and so right now I've been able to log in with my Google account, and I'm going to move ahead with customizing this website that this AI has built for me. Okay, so because I'm someone who already have knowledge of website development, it's really going to be very easy for me to work on. Okay, so right here you can see I have 90 days left in trial. That's more of like 3 months. I have 3 months to use this particular website I built to do whatever it is I want to do. Okay, so right now just going to click, and you see it's going to load our website that it has already generated for us, and I'm going to edit it, change the heading, change the pictures, adjust the write-ups and all of that. Okay, so let's start with the heading. So I edit website heading, and right here I'm going to choose a style. You see Tech Savvy, and then you see the style is logo plus nav center. So I'm going to change it to logo should be at the left hand side. So you see my logo at the left hand side now, and then you see that the other buttons will be at the other side. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and you see option for button. So I'm going to enable button, and then that button is going to be showing let's say get in touch. Okay, and then I'm going to put a link, or either I want to link to a page or put access to my email or phone number. It depends on me. So right here I want to just quickly say I want it to be my phone number. So I type in my phone number, so for them to reach me in case they want to, and I want it to be that it can open in a new tab, in a new page entirely. So you can see here, you see the background of this header you're seeing now. I would love to change it to something else if I want to. So you can see now it has changed to white instead of the gray that was there. So this is white background, and I'm going to click on save. If you're done with every other thing, okay, you see your option for social media. All you need to do is to go to your social media account and copy your URL to each of these social media accounts. So right here, if I click on setting, this one is for Facebook. I'm going to put my Facebook URL here / Okemute Fole. Okay, so this is my URL. I'm going to save it. I'm going to do the same to my Instagram account, put the link there. I'll also do the same for my Twitter. Okay, and I'll also make sure I save. So whenever anyone hover on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook, it should take them to where they can reach me on any of these social media platforms. And if you're done with this aspect, all you need to do is to make sure you save, so that this effect will be applied on your site. So you can see right here now, I've already changed the header. Okay, skip this header to sticky bar. Let's see. Alright, so the next thing is to edit the other section. So you see here, I'm going to click on edit section, or close here, come here, see this button here where you have this edit, you have this copy, take it down or bring it up or delete it. So I'm just going to say edit here, so I can change this Etiosa website development. So I'm going to change here to, let's say, looking for a website developer. Okay, and I'll just put a write-up here. So let me go and get a write-up that I would love to put there. So this is my write-up. I'm just going to change it here, so you can see now this is what I want to be there. So the next thing you want to do is, you see this learn more button. So I can decide what should be there. I can say get in touch. So get in touch, I can put a URL there, maybe to my resume or to my WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. Just put the link there wherever I want to link it to. And I can also decide if I want it to be at the left hand side or at the right hand side, and actually I prefer it to be aligned to the left. So the next thing is, you see this particular image at the background. So you see this particular image at the background, you see here. So you can decide if you want the background to be color or you want it to be image. So if I say color, you can see now it has changed to color. So it's my choice to determine what is going to be there. So if I don't want this particular color, I'm just going to change it, and let's try out which color will go well for us. Okay, so you can see now, see how it looks. So that's how to get to this particular stage. So all you need to do is to always make sure you save whatever it is you are doing. All right, so let's see what else we can do here. As usual, make sure you save. Okay, so the next thing is to go to the next section, and you see option for web design, if you're okay with this particular write-up, that's fine. So go to your services. Now you can determine what your services is all about: website design, content management system. These are the things I actually do. SEO, search engine optimization. These are some of the things I do. So it depends on you, and you see all you do. So you can come here now. Always make sure if some of the details are not correct, you can change them all by yourself. So you see tech savvy here. Click on edit button, and then you can change whatever it is you wish to change here. Okay, should in case you don't want it. So I can say I'm not in Etiosa. I can remove the Etiosa here and just move on like that. So this part is for testimonial. You can decide how you want it to be. You want it to be in the middle, you want to be at the left hand side, and all that. So it's your choice to determine how it looks like. And as usual, always make sure you publish your work or save your work. So scroll down to our client. You see option. This particular aspect of client could be your recent project work that you have done. So if I click here to say edit, I can change here to recent project. Okay, and then I'll see option for the images. I can decide to add images by myself instead of the ones that they've already added here. So it's all by your choice. If you want that, just click on add images and upload as many files as you want. Okay, then you can decide how the background will be. Do you want the background to be white, or you want it to be a colored background? So it's also your choice. So make sure you save whatever it is you're doing here. So the next thing is, you see, scroll down to where you have your location, and then I'm going to say edit here. So this place, you can actually decide where your location is. If you're not in Etiosa, you decide if you want to leave whatever location they deem fit and add it for you there to another one. So I'm not in Etiosa local government, so I'm going to say I'm in Asari Tori. You can see this is in Rivers State. So just put this here so that this will be my address. Okay, so you can see now, if I also want to change the background of this location you're seeing here, I can as well still change it from white to any other color. So it's my choice. Okay, so if I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on save. So you see this marker that is showing you blue here, you can also decide to change it. So you can see here I've been able to do all of that. So what I did at this particular section, remember it was at the middle. So if I click on edit website footer, I came to this particular aspect and I said split details to the left instead of center that it was before. Everything were at the center. So I did it in such a way that everything went to the left hand side. Okay, so you can see here. So if you have other additional details you wish to add, you can add them here. Your social link is here. And before now, this made with durable was visible, but I don't want that, so I just untick it and make sure you save your work. If you're done, just close it and see how your site looks like. So you can see right here. Now the next thing we need to do is to publish. So click on this publish, where your site is going to go live, meaning somebody can view it on the online space and be able to access your business and so on and so forth. So you see their plans here, their starter plan, and then they have their business plan. So you see here option here annually. If you're paying annually, you get to save 20%, but if you're paying monthly, I think you don't really get to save much when you're paying monthly. And they have their plan is $12 per month. So if you come here, you see their option, you get to create a custom domain name, a chat onboarding, email support, unlimited storage, 50 contacts, 50 AI generated promotion. They give you website hosting, analytics, SSL certificate, access to free stock images, search engine optimization. So if you check on this premium aspect, you get to see the difference between the starter and the upgraded version. Okay, so it's your choice to make, and so on and so forth. So if at all you're going for any of these, all you need to do is to either contact them, or you can as well just click on upgrade to starter. And then it's going to take you to a Stripe checkout where you get to make payments with your card details. Maybe after making your payment with them, they will redirect you to your Durable account where you start accessing your domain. So guys, please try out this amazing AI website feature and let me know how you have gone far with your business in creating simple websites using Durable. If you got value from this video, please don't forget to like, share this video to other persons who are searching for it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you guys. Bye.